Right then guys, thought we killed 2 birds with 1 stone today, and we've ended up at the Hoover factory near Mikey. There he is. And yeah, can't wait to get in here now.
Second place of the day.
Give away our fucking position. Make sure no one's coming down our way. You can see it. Look at that walkway thing, bro. Oh, Mikey, right there, look. Banisters. Is there any way through? I reckon we should have gone through that fence, bro. Fucking man's getting teared up here. Fucking walkway. Huh?
Up and over?
They went through the gate, see, that's the easiest way. Yeah, we'll go up and over this way, but we have come, I think we just come the hardest way. Up onto that metal bar.
No fucking choice now, bro. Hold on, man.
I want to walk along here if you can, bro.
Pass my leg.
No, get over, because I'll jump up. Yo, bro, where's my lid?
No one left you back there. Oh, shit.
Fuck it. Oh no, I'm going to have to, ain't I?
Yeah, fucking move back. Should be up and over a long day, innit?
Yeah.